So friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create or how to make game pass in Roblox mobile. So if you're using phone, then you can easily create game pass. So before starting guys, please subscribe to our channel, Karam, like video. So let's start the video. So first of all guys, go to the official website of Roblox, that is roblox.com, and when you reach here, just go to this website, and now you have to click on this option, continue to browse. So otherwise it will open your app in mobile or application. So right now, first of all, you have to make sure that you are logged in your account, and once you logged in, now you can click on this option, create option. Since we are creating a game pass, so just enable the desktop side, since this website is made for only desktop mode. So now once you reach here, so since the new update guys, this new interface is very confusing for the many users, especially for me as well. So because in the previous version we have different options, different interface, different pages, but the new update come up with different options and surprised everyone, because this is completely new interface. So to create a game pass guys, you have to click on this option, or you have to click on this by default experience. So when you click on this here, so you have to go to menu, and when you click on menu you will see different options here. So when so new updates come up with different options here. So you have to go to this associate items option to create game pass. When we click on it, now you will find here pass option, and also you can create badges, developer products. So to create game pass, just click on this game passes, and now you will find option create a game pass or create a pass. So just need to click on this create pass, and you will be able to create your game pass. So basically you just need to upload the image first here, and so let me choose the image, and now select the image. And once you select the image, make sure the image format of the image should be JPG, PNG and BMP. So once you select the image, now you have to enter the name of the game pass and the description, and after that you have to click on the create pass. So just enter the, let's enter the uh, pass name, game pass name. I think I should name it as my channel name. And now you have to type description, and it should be less than 1,000 characters. So I'm just writing for demo, so it is just demo description. You can enter more. So once you're done with this, just click on this create uh, pass. So when you click on this create pass option, your pass will be created here, as you can see. So image will take time to load, because right now it is the Roblox is reviewing. Now guys, to configure or to add or to basically put the cost on the game pass, you have to uh, click on the game pass where you want to add a cost. So you have to set the price of the game pass. So click on the menu again, and you will find here option sale. Just go to this option, and when you enter here, just you will find the option item for sales. First of all, enable this option and put the price of the game pass. So like I'm gonna keep it as 50 robux, and you must be aware that the creator will be get 70% of it if the it is sold. So once you done with the price, just click on save changes. So yeah, that's the full process. And now if you want to guys access configuration, you can do that as well. So what you need to do, you have to go to this inventory option, Many users asking me how can we access the configure option. So you will find here, click on three dot and you can click on this uh, configure option. So usually a configure has the some of the features like the name, editing name, and the description. So you can find all the options here. So you if you want to delete the next delete option next to the configure, so you can find that there. So once you're done with this, now guys, go back and yeah, now let's put the game pass on booth in please donate. So let's go to the game, make sure you're logged in with the same id. So let me open the, with the roblox, yeah, wait for a moment to open. And once your roblox app open, just search for pls donate. So if you haven't used yet, then you have to search it. Since I have already used, so let me, yeah, so I will find this app and just click on this play button. So right now just click on this close button to close this window, and now go to the empty booth, any empty booth. So let's go to this booth. Oh, she's, so just once you reach any booth, just hold the button and your game path will be listed here in please donate. So I hope you guys understood. If you still doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and just remember that you will get 70% of the robux of your game pass. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. So if you want more guides video on roblox, you can find full flow playlist on that, and you can find the link in the description. So I've been making videos on roblox since or for a month. So you can watch all the video if you want any guide, and if you want a related video. So guys, I hope you like it and keep supporting me, and let me know if there's any feedback on my videos. So it will be very really helpful to you, helpful for me. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel Karam, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you didn't subscribe yet. And your like will be more valuable for me, so please like as well.